here in the Madanpur Khadar, and they are throwing this waste on this area, and they are thinking they have declared that this will be a eco park. This area will be eco park. So you just see how safe this area will be, because hundreds, thousands of tourists will come, people will come for visiting this park and seeing the biodiversity. And if this is the case, if this is the waste which is lying here for hundreds of acres, this entire area is more than hundreds of acres, and they have just dumped this waste without any segregation, without any treatment process on this waste, and they are thinking that it will be converted into eco park. So you see, this is not going to work, and it will be drastically impact on the environmental condition of this area, and those people who are living in this area, they will also get affected, and those who will come as a tourist or visitors to the eco park, they will also get very badly or seriously affected. So there are a number of strategies and solutions. Basically, I don't like to give a particular blame to the municipal corporation or Delhi government, because whatever task is assigned to them, they are doing it properly, but they have to do it in a proper way and proper method. They have to follow certain rules and regulations and proper methodology, then only it will become successful. Otherwise, if you are just putting here and sometime from here also you will remove it and put it in some other place, so this is wastage of time, wastage of resources, and wastage of money. So there are a number of ways, and first very important one I would like to highlight is the polluter pay principle, because the households are responsible, they are generating the waste, and they are expecting that the government should take care of the waste.